So forwards, backwards, forwards. When we press the lock and don't allow it to finish, then we press the underbed cutter, lift up, put down. That's when we have the problem. It needs to finish the lock before you use the underbed cutter. So we go down and up, so this will work perfectly now. We're going to press the lock. It's going to go through its sequence and stop. Underbed cutter. This will now work again. So we press the lock and it stops before it's finished. Then we use the underbed cutter. Then we have the issue. It needs to go through its complete cycle when we lock. Otherwise you get this slow motion.